Transformation of sentence. This is very important and useful to learn English and for also academic study. Look at these sentences. I used to spend my summer vacation in Dehra. This is a simple sentence. I used to spend my summer vacation in Dehra. This means I used to spend. This is regularly. I did this work regularly. Spent my summer vacation in Dehra. Dehra means a place, Dehradun. Then this is also a simple sentence. I was at college. This indicates a time. At that time, I was at college. And now we have to join these two simple sentences into a complex sentence. This is the joining of the sentence. When I was at college, I used to spend my summer vacation in Dehra. Actually, we know when we have to join a two simple sentences or three simple sentences in a complex sentence, we have to use conjunctions, and in that complex sentence there will be one principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses. So we have added this part, I use at college, this part with this conjunction when. Here, when, this is a conjunction. So we have written when I was at college. This indicates time when I was at college. And after that, we have added this part of this sentence. I used to spend my summer vacation. We have written this. I used to spend my summer vacation in Dehra. So the sentence is when I was at college, I used to spend my summer vacation in Dehra. This is the second sentence. She came to my window, she stopped. This is a simple sentence. She came to my window, and this is also a simple sentence. She stopped. We have to join these two sentences by using participle. We know participle is a word which is formed by adding ing to a verb, and participle works as an adjective and also a verb in a sentence. Now, see the joining of the sentence. This is the joining of the sentence. Coming to my window, she stopped. This is a verb came. This is in past tense, and the base verb of this word is come. So we have added ing with the base verb coming. Coming to my window, and here she. She means this subject. Okay. So this part of the sentence is related to the second part. This verb coming, this is not the main verb. Okay, so in this sentence, stopped, this is the main verb. This is not the main verb. Coming is not the main verb here. Okay, so the answer is coming to my window, she stopped. This is the participle in the sentence. Coming is the participle here. And this sentence is a simple sentence because here is one finite verb. Stopped, this is the finite verb here. Coming is the non-finite verb here.